Live here in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Today's video I'm going to show you I'm going to change a latch, an archback latch on a Veloster. So this is where the latch is. Underneath here is broken. You can see some little fragments or segments coming out from it. Is a push button right here, the touch sense electronic. When you push it, and it's gonna unlock the door. Well, right now it's broken. These are common problems for Velosters right here. So let's check it out. Here's a new switch I ordered online, and this is the touch sense I was talking about. So this is just the only pad. You can feel like a little buttons here, which is gonna be when you touch them, you have the fob with you, and when you touch it, then it's unlocking the vehicle. And this is a one old kit, and this is designed for rear camera. You can see there's a cut right there, so it has a backup camera. So I will show you how it goes. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Here we're gonna lift the thing right here. We already got it unlocked, but the thing is, you can see from here we're supposed to be using a tool to prime these things and get them off, get this cover. We're gonna get in here. There are 3 bolts. They are supposed to be out. When you take them out, this one old cover casing here, the one old emblem here, is gonna come off. So you just take the entire thing and disconnect the plug, which is this one here, detach the plug, and just put a new one and go back and do whatever it's supposed to do. And this is how everything works, and let's go about it. So we're gonna try to take these things out. You might probably need something like this to prime the thing to take it off, or you might need something like a chrome bar, something like this, to go about it. So stay tuned. Let's see if we can take this one and we can go right from there. As you guys seen, I already took some of the stuff here. These are the stuff that clips the holes to the body, and I just keep on doing this thing gently and see how I can able to take this thing off the best I could, and we get from there. Stay tuned. Live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. These are the clips. Alright guys, I already took the panel off. These are all the clips behind the one old cover. This is the cover inside of it, and this is the electronics part of it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna be working our way all the way to get to the lock. So this is where it latches. You just be careful with the clips. I have one that's stuck here, so I have to get this one and put it back right there. Stay tuned. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. These are the 3 bolts I'm going to be dealing with here. There's one here, there's one there, and there's one here that's supposed to, sorry for the light, the sun is right direct my face. This is the electronic opener. So we got this guy. If you look at it, this is the connector, and this is where the one I was showing you, the original, comes out from there, and we remove the entire panel out. So let's go ahead and check it out. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. So the perfect tool for the job is going to be number 10, a 10mm. I have a socket and a ratchet here, and I'm going to be taking number 10 and install it and go about the entire process. Stay tuned. I can be using probably the shorter one here and number 10 and go about it. Alright guys, this is a socket. I'm gonna get to this right here and started taking out. One is out, and going to get back to this and take this one out, and there's one here. There you go. All right, I took the 2 nuts here, and you see right there. All right, we're gonna take this, and it's out now. I can't have it on a tripod, and this is the entire mechanism right here. So we're gonna disconnect this device. You can see this is the switch that was you press like this, the door to open, and it just fall off. Okay, so this is how everything looks like. All right, around these wires, this is where we're gonna be encounter. You gotta push this button, push it, and there you go. It's out. Totally disengage the entire mechanism from the car. This is the device we have an issue with. So go about it. We gotta take this entire thing out from the car and take it from the inside. We have a new one that came with it. This one we can just attach it back in there, so I don't have to worry about any of that stuff and trying to put it back in here. Now we have to disconnect this guy so that we can able to take the entire device off. Okay, this guy is gonna be out. Is out. We took this one out, disconnected from the switch, and we're gonna get this out from here by taking this rubber out. Okay, there we go. It's all out. It's one old mechanism we want to replace. Let's go back here to the bench and show you what we're gonna be doing here live here at JW Solar USA. So we're gonna replace this entire mechanism here to here. We're gonna take this one out and replace a new one. All right. And we still have to take this Phillips right here. See it? Right on the corner. Let me get the angle. That one right there. And this one at the corner right here. Okay? Those two. You can see them over there. To fix the new mechanism. Now we're gonna close the latch and see how this thing is gonna work, if it's gonna open before we go further. So the latch is down, lock the vehicle, and trying to see if we can unlock it. There we go. It opens right away. Check this out. Check the blinkers when I push the button. Okay. It flashes and open. So it works. We have a working mechanism right here. And let's give it a shot from a distance. As long as I have the fob with me. There you go. It opens and closes. There you go. So this is how you fix a latch. All we do now is just gonna put back this rubber casing right here to cover all this mechanism, and from there we're done. Thanks for watching. JW Solar USA. Love you guys all. Bye for now. all done, nice and neat. Everything is done. Thank you guys for watching. And the panel is all inserted and everything works well. And interior, and we're gonna give it a try. Everything is attached well. There we go. And test the button. There you go. Open right up. There you go. Open right up. All right. Thank you guys. Bye for now. Love you. Subscribe, like, and share. Sorry for the long video, but I have to do step by step how to install a rear latch from a Veloster hatchback from Hyundai, JW Solar USA. Love you guys all. Bye for now. Subscribe and share.